By what name was the lawyer who settled in Madurai fondly called by its people? A. Caliph of Turkey. B. Subbarailu Raja. C. Rosapu Durai. D. General Dyer. The correct answer is C. Rosapu Durai. What year was the Dravidian home founded? A. 1920. Born in 1910. Circa 1916. D. 1937. The correct answer is circa 1916. What is carved out of a granite boulder? A. Rameswaram Temple. B. Pillarpatti Cave Temple. C. Arjuna's Penance. D. Meenakshi Amman Temple. The correct answer is C. Arjuna's Penance. In what year did the individual convert to Buddhism? A. 1899. Born in 1896. Circa 1897. D. 1898. The correct answer is D. 1898. Fort Street. George was constructed by the British in which city? A. Bombay. B. Madras. C. Calcutta. D. Akkadalur. The correct answer is B. Madras. What revolutions causes, course, and outcome are studied? A. The French Revolution. B. The Russian Revolution. C. The Scientific Revolution. D. The Industrial Revolution. The correct answer is B. The Russian Revolution. Which of the following was not mentioned as a major empire shattered by the end of World War I? A. Austria-Hungary. B. British. C. The Ottomans. D. Germany. The correct answer is B. British. Where did towns typically emerge in ancient times? A. Along trade routes. B. Around major rivers. C. At military outposts. D. Near king's palaces. The correct answer is D. Near king's palaces. Gondophares was converted to which religion? A. Hinduism. B. Christianity. C. Jainism. D. Buddhism. The correct answer is B. Christianity. What helped to end the racist regime in South Africa? A. Global level pressure. B. Military intervention. C. Economic sanctions. D. Internal rebellion. The correct answer is A. Global level pressure. What specific artistic skill were the Indo-Greeks and Indians skilled in, related to caves? A. Painting cave walls. B. Sculpting cave statues. C. Rock-cut architecture. D. Exploring cave systems. The correct answer is C. Rock-cut architecture. What was Italy's motivation for deciding to enter the war? A. To stabilize the Turkish Empire. B. To support Germany and Austria. C. To gain territory in the north. D. To form a new alliance. The correct answer is C. To gain territory in the north. Where did Neolithic artifacts primarily live in Tamil Nadu? A. River deltas. B. Many parts of Tamil Nadu. C. Mountain regions. D. Coastal areas. The correct answer is B. Many parts of Tamil Nadu. Besides the Purohit, who assisted the king? A. The Kshatriyas. B. The Gramani. C. The Senani. D. The Vis. The correct answer is C. The Senani. When did the Shang dynasty exist according to the timeline? A. 40 N. B. 23 BC. C. 600 BC. D. 1300 BC. The correct answer is D. 1300 BC. What did Satanar do to Buddhism? A. He indigenized Buddhism into Tamil Buddhism. B. He established new Buddhist monasteries. C. He wrote commentaries on Buddhist philosophy. D. He translated Buddhist texts into Tamil. The correct answer is A. He indigenized Buddhism into Tamil Buddhism. Which famous literary figure, known for his wit, was also in Krishnadev Rai's court? A. Kalidasa. B. Tenali Ramkrishna. C. Birbal. D. Tansen. The correct answer is B. Tenali Ramkrishna. What is one condition for countries borrowing from the fund? A. They must increase old age pensions. B. They must implement universal health care. C. They must provide free school education. D. They face stringent conditions. The correct answer is D. They face stringent conditions. Which of the following was a method adopted during the civil disobedience movement? A. Adherence to forest laws. B. Picketing of liquor shops. C. Payment of all taxes. D. Support for foreign cloth. The correct answer is B. Picketing of liquor shops. In which month is the unit, the Age of Empires, Guptas and Vardhanas scheduled? A. April. B. February. C. March. D. January. The correct answer is C. March. Which dynasty was established in India after Babur's victory in the Battle of Panipat? A. Ottoman dynasty. B. Delhi Sultanate. C. Safavid dynasty. D. Mughal dynasty. The correct answer is D. Mughal dynasty. Besides papaya and pineapple, which other fruit or horticultural crop was introduced from the West? A. Orange. B. Guava. C. Mango. D. Apple. The correct answer is B. Guava. Which hymns are mentioned as part of the challenge to Buddhism from Saiva saints? A. Silapatikram. B. Tirukkural. C. Thevram. D. Nalaira Divya Prabandham. The correct answer is C. Thevram. What textile invention did Samuel Crompton create in 1779? A. Power loom. B. Spinning frame. C. Spinning mule. D. Cotton gin. The correct answer is C. Spinning mule. How many students were on rolls in institutions of higher learning in 1950 to 51? A. 27.2%. B. 18.3%. C. 2 lakh. D. 58. The correct answer is C. 2 lakh. Where was the Secretariat of the League of Nations located? A. Geneva. B. London. C. Paris. D. Berlin. The correct answer is A. Geneva. On what date was Kattabomman hanged? A. 19th October 1799. B. 16th October 1799. C. 17th October 1799. D. 18th October 1799. The correct answer is B. 16th October 1799. Which period in Japan is associated with its rise as an equal to Western nations after 1870? A. Meiji era. B. Edo era. C. Teso era. D. Showa era. The correct answer is A. Meiji era. What agricultural products were cultivated in Mesopotamia? A. Onions, turnips, grapes, apples, and dates. B. Oranges, bananas, and olives. C. Potatoes, corn, and rice. D. Tomatoes, peppers, and wheat. The correct answer is A. Onions, turnips, grapes, apples, and dates. Which social movement is associated with Jyotiba Phule? A. The Aligarh movement. B. A specific social movement. C. The Ramakrishna Mission. D. The Theosophical Society. The correct answer is B. A specific social movement. How did you score?